this is Sugan Khanna. I have 10 years of experience working with PHP, Drupal, and much more. You can find me on LinkedIn with this shared link. This is the fifth session of PHP Basics training, and here we will learn what exactly associative arrays are and what are the indexed arrays. Let's switch on to our Visual Code Studio. Here we were doing the example shared in the previous session where we have taken these cars. Now let's focus on this BMW car. I'm omitting all the code and take this BMW. Let's suppose this BMW is having other attributes. For example, it is having some model, which is for 2023. Then it has a blue color. Then the price is around 50 million. The fuel type is of petrol, and that's it. Let's take all these attributes in an array and print it manually. This is the model of car, dollar BMW 0. Fine. Let it use the right way. This will go in the single quotes. Then there is a dot operator for the concatenation because this is a variable and this is the tags, HTML tags. So we need to do this way. The HTML tags go in the single quotes. Then there is a variable which got concatenated with the dot operator, and then there are the single quotes again. So this is it. Let's save it and check the code. Test.php. So this is a model of the car 2023, right? Let's copy the string. We have the four things: the color of the car, the color of car is. This is a zeroth element. This is the first element. Let's omit it and type here 1. Then the price of the car is 2. And type of fuel is fuel in car is it's 3. So this is a zero index, first, second, and third. We are all done with. I'm just saving the file and refresh it. So you can check this. It is coming like this way. Now, one big problem is this: it's hard to read. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, and it's not obvious that the 2 index is a color and the 4 index is a fuel type. And if we decided that we don't want to include color anymore, the car attribute k name will get changed and the whole thing blows up. We could fix this, but the whole system is a messy. We will definitely fix this if this gets omitted or removed in the future. Then we can simply need to change all the entire keys, and this will create a very tedious job for the developer. So there's a better way, of course. Instead of letting arrays assign keys for us, let's tell the array what key exactly we want for each item. So suppose I give it a model number like this. Now I'll give the color. So when you want to control the keys, put it at the left of your item, followed by the equal and the greater than sign. Notice the keys are the strings, so we surround them by single quotes. And next we update our code to use the keys. This is what the price, this is what the fuel type. Fine. As you can see, I have put the keys over here. This goes with the model, color, price, and fuel type. Now we are not allowing PHP to decide the index. We are giving the keys itself so that we are telling exactly the array which key needs to be used for which item. Now instead of putting here 0, use model. Use here color, price, fuel type. Now save the file and refresh it. See, nothing will gonna change. It will remain as it is. So when you want to control the key, put it at the left, as I have told you, followed by the equal and the greater operator. And when you take the control of the indexes and the keys in an array, the index and the key in an array, the array is known as the associative array. So earlier, when we are allowing PHP to decide what should be the key, the way we have done it before, let me control Z, show you once more. Okay, so this is an index array where we are allowing PHP to decide what should be the key. So this is a 0, this is a 1, 2, and 3. But when we have put here the key and we are putting here manually the key name. So this is the simple use case is what, let's say if somehow I don't want this color, I don't want the color attribute in my array. So I have just removed the color attribute. Now, if I save it and refresh it, it will give me an error. See, because the array key 3 is undefined, and secondly, the color of the card it is showing 50, which is wrong. On the other hand, if we use the earlier way, using here at the index, putting it in single quotes because this is a string, the key is a string. And now if I decide to remove this color attribute, let's remove it. It will show you this is an undefined. And in order to prevent this, we generally put this as null. And we can put all these as null. So it will not give you the error. Let's refresh it. Undefined array key color. So why we are getting that error? Because I have put this code of line above it. Now, if I am assigning this array key equals to null and creating the array after this, then it won't work because it won't find the array here. So that's why I need to assign it after creating my array. Hope the concept is clear to you. This is all what associative arrays are. Next, we will discuss what are the multidimensional arrays. Thanks and have a nice day.